I started working together with Noah and Leon. I am now literally booked out weeks in advance, closing multiple clients a month at an average price point of 7,000 euros, which is just crazy at the age of 17. And I can confidently and with proof say that they are the best on the market. They are literally the best at what they're doing.
Leon and Noah, they are literally the best I've ever worked with.
Leon and Noah, dude, you guys saved my business. And now I'm making more money. I'm working way less hard.
The experience Noah and Leon have, it's gonna change your life. It's gonna change your life.
I'm very, very grateful for Leon and Noah because they come with the mindset of helping and providing as much as possible. This was pivotal of my entrepreneurial journey.
Leon and Noah are two G's. They're one of the best people that I've ever worked with within my company.
They actually care about you. They're the best in the game.
You guys helped me in more ways than I even realized I needed in my business. Thank you, Leon. Thank you, Noah. Highly recommend.
I want to do a big shout out to Noah and Leon for helping me scale my business. And I even closed over 11K in retainers in just 1 week. Their one-on-one support is very hands-on, super valuable. So if you are on the fence, please don't be. These guys are the real deal. They genuinely care about helping you and set everything up to win in your business.